Evening. Right, it's, I believe it's about 25 past 9. You can see, the sky's nice and red. And we're going to go and have a little wild camp with the TP Nova that I recorded last time. So we're going to go and see what this is like. We're going to go and set it up in a little wood. And hopefully we'll have a good night. I'm just leaving my village now. As you can see, the sun's going down. I had to stop there because some bloke was looking out the window. I felt like a right jerk. So anyway, like I said, we're going to go down to the little wood, set up and see how we get on. Like I said, it's the first time, no, the second time I've set up this tent. So we'll see if we can spend the night in it without getting caught out. Yeah, buy a local farm or something, that won't be good, will it? But you know, it's an experience. Look at that, just over the trees. Looking forward to getting into this place. Never camped there before, so fears of the morning, waking up and find a farmer sitting over my head ain't good. But you know, it's literally a little wood beside two of his fields. I'm having a bit of a problem. Like I said, they're doing some building works, but they've proper chopped the area off. At the moment I'm just trying to find see if I can get away through. Where there's will, there's a way. Managed to get into the field, but it's going to be a bit of a tick check at the end. Oh, fucking hell. We'll have a proper check later. Right, let's get up to that wood. That's the wood we're heading up to. Feels like a bit of a stealth camp. Great. Camping in a deep dark wood. Absolutely gutted. Can't believe the fucking grass is so high. I really wanted to camp up here, but oh well. Not everything goes to plan. Planned out a nice little spot. Got inside the wood and it was like that height in grass. So yeah, that went a bit tits up. But I've got a secondary. So we're going to go and pitch up there and try that one out. It's nothing like finding the creepiest place out, is there? I believe there's a field just over the other side from here, so we're going to camp there tonight. I'll wait till I show you my legs. Doing a proper little stealth camp here. After going to the woods this evening, way overgrown, really upset me. Anyway, we're in, basically I'm in the one Tigris TP Nova and I'm camping out between two football fields under a small patch of wood. Not even that, it's got a few trees just bunched together. But we're giving it a bash, we're giving it a go. Like I said, I wanted to camp in the woods tonight, but yeah, really kind of ruined my night really. But we're going to get a brew on, chill out. Well, it's been a funny night. So like I said, this is a little bit of a stealth camp. Just having a little brew before I hit the Hague. But yeah, definitely a nice little stealth camp with the one Tigris TP Nova. So it's the first time out with it, and I tell you what, I can lie down with my feet fully stretched out. It feels fantastic. So much better than like the Lanshan 1 Pro, which was, it's good for what it's used for, as in, you know, going out on multi-hikes, but a bit of luxury on a couple of day hikes, this will do me. I like this. Tea's nearly ready. Let's give it a squirt of milk. Yep, I know, straight from the udder. Always carry these little bottles. Great for having a few drinks of water, a few drinks of milk with your tea. That I shove my tea bags in just for, you know, it's just out here for the night. And definitely got to have ear defenders. Brewski done. Nothing like telling everybody where you are, eh? Job done. Yeah, there was a, like I said, up in those woods that I was going to, it had overgrown something. Well, and I hadn't been up there in about 6 months, so it really fucked me up. No, sorry, it really messed me up. So I was just checking for smidgy midges. Bought a book to read, Midsummer Secrets. You can get that on Amazon. It's actually written by a lad called Lawrence Bygrave. Like I said, look for it on Amazon. It's a good book. So that's one I'm reading tonight. I've read it before, but I like reading it, so it's good. That's it. That's my kit ready to bug out. Tonight I'm in the Leviathan sleeping bag with the Alp kit sit mat. And that's not what you think it is. That's actually Hague whiskey with ginger ale, which is fucking gorgeous. Right. Ooh. Morning. Well, last night was a bit of a bust, to be honest. Like I said last night, I was going to sleep in the wood. That went to shit. It was really overgrown, hadn't been there in over 6 months. But as for the one Tigris TP Nova, lovely tent, it really is. My pitch last night. Yeah, it was that nice last night, I didn't even stick the guidelines up. Not a bad place to camp, is it really? It's a little bit cold. I know I'm going to keep going over it. Like I said, it ruined my night last night. I really wanted to go up into the wood. But yeah, they're building beside it as well, which makes it even worse. So overgrown. But on saying that, I've had a really nice night down here tonight, to be honest, as well. So back to work today, late shift. I'd rather just go up into the lakes, or go up to the Peak District and have a nice camping session up there, because I just don't know. I'll express this one as well. I'd like to be like from Paul Messner and be able to live up in either Yorkshire or wherever he lives, and be able to go up into the dales all the time, or up into the lakes all the time. But I live in Northamptonshire and it's flat and boring. So my thoughts on the One Tigris after a nice little stealthy wild camp are, without a doubt, definitely worth it, especially for the price. I think it's one of them that's just got so much space in it. One trekking pole, but everybody's got their own things, what they like, what they don't like. So don't just go off my word, you know, go out there, choose a tent that you like, because yeah, I'm just really chuffed with this one. Right, I love my funky hair. I think I need to give myself a haircut. Anyway, before I go, obviously I'm going to be leaving no trace. What are we going to be doing in the next one? I believe that hopefully Aaron and I will be going away on the 1st of July. Should be up in the Peak District. I hope to do a 2-night trek. So yeah, can't wait for that one. But for now, brewski on, down to Gregory Peck, and then we'll take a nice stroll home. Oh my God, it's so cold. Ooh, it's quite. There. No trace from where I camped last night. Let's go. So just before I hit home, I just need to say thank you to everybody that donated to Birmingham's Children's Hospital. Now, we raised 1,280 odd quid, but with gift aid as well, it was another 255 quid. So big thumbs up to everybody that, basically everybody that donated. Anyway, that's the end of this one, and I'll see you when I can.